The final is today. I have waited for this day for so long. I cannot believe it is finally here. Today I will skate in the biggest competition of my life. I have practiced for months, and I am ready. My skates are ready too. I cleaned them carefully last night. They are my favorite skates. No, no, no! Why is the blade loose? There are screws missing from my skate. Mom, please come here. Something is wrong with my skate. I don't know what happened. Mom, I checked them last night. They were perfectly fine then. How could this happen?
Do not worry, Maya. We will find a way. Your competition is not over yet.
We have to leave now. The rink is close, but we need time to find someone who can help.
Everyone is already here. They look ready to compete. I am scared my damaged skates will stop me.
This skate is not safe for competition. We need the correct replacement screws. But we will try everything we can.
I can tighten the blade, but I cannot make it safe yet. We need the exact replacement screws.
Does this mean I cannot compete? I practiced for months. I do not want to give up now.
Do not give up yet. One of the senior skaters may have an extra pair. We should ask.
Everyone is practicing for the final. I should be out there too. I hope we find a solution.
Are you okay, Maya? I saw your skate case. Did something happen this morning? My blade is loose and 2 screws are missing. I checked my skates last night. They were completely fine.
I saw someone near the equipment room earlier. They were carrying a blue sports bag. I do not know who it was.
I spoke with the rink manager. The changing rooms were not locked this morning. Anyone could have entered.
Then someone could have walked in and touched my skates. But why would anyone do that? I do not understand.
These belong to a senior skater. She has agreed to let you try them. They may be safe for the final.
Are these really safe? I have never skated in them before. They feel very different from mine.
They feel strange, but I can move. I can still control them. Maybe this can work. I can turn. I can stop. They are different, but I think I can skate in them. I landed it. These skates can work. I can still compete today.
You do not need perfect skates. You need a calm mind. Trust the training you already have.
You found another pair. Good. I hope you have a great skate today.
Thank you, Sophie. I am still nervous, but I will try my best. Good luck to you too.
We are all here now. The final is about to begin. Let us do our best. This is the moment we trained for. Stay calm. One move at a time. I am ready. My skates are different, but my training is still mine. Now I will skate.
Stay calm, Maya. Forget the damaged skates. Think only about your routine.
This is my moment. I have practiced this opening many times. I know what to do.
Good. The skates feel steady. I can trust them now. Daniel is smiling. That means I am doing well. Keep going.
This is the first jump. Push hard. Stay balanced. I landed it. The first hard jump is finished. Now keep moving. She made it look easy. Maya is doing really well. I am happy for her.
Stay centered. Keep your balance. Do not rush the spin. The routine is going well. One section is finished. Now I must stay focused.
This is the hard part. I practice this jump again and again. I can do it.
Jump now. Stay balanced. I have practiced this many times.
I did it! I really did it.
Now I can finish strong. One move is finished. Keep breathing. Keep moving forward. Slow and steady. Center the spin. Do not let the fear return. Daniel believes in me. I can feel it. I just need to finish.
I am almost finished. Stay strong. The last section is coming.
She is almost done.
Please stay safe, Maya. You can do this. This is the last jump. I am not afraid. I am ready. I did it! I finished the routine. I did not give up.
You did it, Nut!
I could not give up. I thought everything was finished this morning, but somehow I still got here. I am so happy.
Your score is coming soon. Whatever happens, remember this moment. You stayed brave when things went wrong.
I am proud of you already. The medal does not change what you accomplished. You were brave today.
You were amazing, Maya. That difficult jump looked incredible. I am really happy you finished so strongly.
You were brave, Maya. After everything this morning, you still performed beautifully. That takes real courage.
We may have found something important. The security camera recorded someone near the equipment room. Please come and look.
That person was near the equipment room.
Can you see their face? I need to know who they are.
The camera angle is too high.
We cannot see the person's face clearly.
But the blue bag is easy to recognize.
I remember seeing a blue sports bag earlier. Maybe it belongs to the person in this video. We should find it. Wait, that is the same color as the bag in the video. Someone left it right here.
Please do not touch it yet. We need to know who owns this bag. It could be important. There is a name tag here. Maybe this will tell us who owns it. Let us check carefully. The name is Ryan. Coach Ryan owns this bag. That is very strange.
Coach Ryan? But he is always kind to me. Why would he damage my skates?
We cannot accuse him yet. The bag is a clue, not proof. We need more evidence.
Let us check the equipment room. Maybe there is another camera. We need to understand what happened.
Mr. Harris, we found a blue bag outside. It belongs to Coach Ryan. Did you see him this morning?
I remember seeing Ryan earlier. He came into this room briefly. He said he needed a tool.
That screw looks like the one from my skate. Could it have come from my blade? This is getting serious.
We have a clue now. But we still need to know what Ryan did. We must find the truth. This screw is the correct size. It could belong to your skate. We need to check carefully.
If someone removed this screw, they touched my skate. That means it was not an accident. Someone did this.
We should not confront anyone yet. Let us check the camera footage again. We need clear evidence first.
If the camera shows Ryan entering the room, we may finally understand what happened. I want the truth.
Go back a few minutes. There must be another recording. Look at the equipment room door. That is Ryan. He really went into the equipment room. Now we have something important.
I trusted him. He helped me before. I never thought he could do something like this.
You did nothing wrong. You should not carry this blame. We will handle it together.
Keep watching. He stayed inside for several minutes. Something must have happened in there.
Ryan, we need to talk. We saw the security footage. Please tell us what happened. What are you talking about? I only went into the equipment room for a tool. Is there a problem?
Then why were my skates damaged? Someone removed 2 screws.
Did you touch my skates?
No, I did not touch your skates. You have the wrong idea. I would never hurt you. The camera shows you entering the room. Your blue bag is also there. Please explain that. I can explain the bag, but the footage does not show what happened inside. You cannot blame me yet. Ryan, please stay here. We need to finish the investigation. No one is making a final decision yet.
I thought you were someone I could trust. Why would you hide the truth from me? Please be honest.
I made a terrible mistake. I know what this looks like. I just do not know how to explain it.
Why would you do this? You knew I had worked so hard. Was winning really worth hurting someone?
You are right. Winning was never worth this. I need to tell you the truth. I entered the equipment room this morning. I saw your skates there, and I made a terrible choice. I was afraid you might win. I wanted my own student to have a better chance. That fear made me selfish.
You could have competed fairly. Why did you hurt my chance? I trusted you.
You are right. I had no excuse. I was wrong to touch your skates. I loosened the blade and removed 2 screws. I thought you would miss the final. I am deeply sorry.
You hurt me, but you did not stop me. I found another way to skate. I finished my routine.
What you did was dangerous. Maya could have been seriously hurt. This must be reported. I understand. I will accept the consequences. Maya deserved a fair competition.
It is over now. I cannot change what happened this morning, but I can choose what happens next. Today taught me something important. People may try to stop you, but courage helps you keep going.